In the past, what people had to do to access services was travel from location to location. They had to go from Shasta Women's Refuge to Crime Victims Assistance to the legal services of Northern California. And when you talk about the vulnerability of a person who's experienced domestic violence, taking their children and maybe not having transportation and having to go around town to try to get all of these services, it's very frustrating for that person. And so it's very necessary to put all of these resources in one location so that it's easier for victims of family violence. Shasta County needed a family justice center because of the power and collaboration, because the model offered that opportunity for victims of family violence to come to one place and to receive services under one roof. Well, what we know from national studies is that it takes at least 5 to 7 times for a person to be in an abusive situation before they will actually leave the perpetrator. No, this isn't those people. This is our friends, our family, our mothers, our sisters. 1 in 3 women are affected by some type of violence, family violence. And so it's not those people. It's not those people living in a motel or living in motels or staying at the Mission. This is all people are affected because we all know somebody. If there's 1 in 3 women, we all know somebody who's been affected by family violence. It's reaching out to those who you think may be in trouble and getting the resources that they need. And by coming to the Shasta Family Justice Center, that's exactly what happens. It's all of those resources under one roof, and it's getting the immediacy of the services that are needed at that most critical time when somebody is most vulnerable and needs to leave an abusive situation.